Reference how to install WordPress in cPanel. Alright. After login, you see this interface. Then you need to scroll down on the software section. Then you will click install application. After click install, then you see the WordPress. Then you click the WordPress. Then install this application. If you want to more learn from here, then you can click this tab, showcase what's new about each and everything you can get from here. If you want to learn, then you can read this documentation. I'll just click install this application. If you want to sub directory, you can just add the directory. I will no more things. Just the password, the username. Yeah. All right. Now install. It will take little bit time. I think you see the processing. You see the processing time. Yes, process is complete. Now, if you want to see this website, this WordPress install already done. That's it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.